Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you exactly how much I earned in dividend income for June 2025. We're going to break it down by sector, go through every company that paid me, compare it to last month, and at the end, I'll share how you can start building your own dividend portfolio, even with just $50 a month. Let's dive in. So, how much did I make this month in dividends? Let's start with the bigger picture first. Here's how my June 2025 dividend income breaks down by sector. Financials came out on top this month, with strong payouts from companies like CSWC, T. Rowe Price, and Main Street Capital. Energy followed closely behind, thanks to dividends from Chevron and Vitesse Energy. Real estate delivered reliable monthly income from names like Realty Income and ADC. Healthcare added a solid contribution through Pfizer. And lastly, consumer and industrials with companies like Target, Hasbro, Tyson and Stanley Black & Decker. Diversifying across sectors helps smooth out income month to month. OBDC paid me 88 cents. OBDC is a business development company. They invest in small to mid-sized US businesses by providing them with capital, and they share that income with shareholders like me. ADC paid me 128 cents. Agree Realty Corporation is a retail-focused REIT. They lease commercial properties to major brands like Walmart and AutoZone. And yes, they pay monthly. Has paid me $2.80. Hasbro is the global toy and entertainment company behind brands like Monopoly, Nerf and Transformers. While the business can be cyclical, they've paid dividends consistently. TSN paid me $3. Tyson Foods is one of the largest meat producers in the US. They process beef, chicken and pork and serve both grocery stores and restaurants. SWK paid me $3.28. Stanley Black & Decker is best known for their power tools and hardware. Think DeWalt, Black & Decker and Craftsman. They're a long-standing industrial company with a solid dividend history. TGT paid me $3.36. Target is a major US retailer offering everything from groceries to home decor. Known for quality and strong customer loyalty, it's a dividend growth stock many investors trust. F&F paid me $4. Fidelity National Financial specializes in title insurance and real estate transaction services. They're deeply tied to the housing market, and they pay out a solid dividend. O paid me $4.30. Realty Income, famously known as the monthly dividend company, owns over 13,000 commercial properties across the US, mostly rented to big names like Walgreens and 7-Eleven. CVX paid me $10.26. Chevron is one of the world's largest integrated oil companies. They're involved in everything from oil drilling to refining and retail gas, and they've paid dividends for decades. Main paid me $11.55. Main Street Capital is another business development company, similar to OBDC but larger. They focus on private US businesses and pay dividends monthly, which investors love. VTS paid me $14.06. Vitesse Energy is a smaller, focused energy company that owns non-operating interests in oil and gas wells. They don't drill themselves, but collect revenue from others who do. PFE paid me $16.34. Pfizer is a global pharmaceutical giant, best known recently for its COVID-19 vaccine, but also for blockbuster drugs like Lipitor and Prevnar. It's a staple in many dividend portfolios. Tro paid me $16.51. T. Rowe Price is a leading asset management firm. They manage mutual funds and retirement assets for millions of clients and have a long track record of increasing dividends. CSWC paid me $38.40. Capital Southwest is a business development company focused on lending to middle-market US companies. They pay generous dividends, and in this month, they topped my list. Now, I know some of you are wondering, that's cool, but how can I get started with dividends if I only have a little to invest? Here's how I would start with just $50 a month. Step 1. Choose 1 to 2 strong, dividend-paying companies or ETFs. Step 2. Use a broker that allows fractional shares and DRIP. Dividend reinvestment. Step 3. Be consistent. Invest every single month. Step 4. Reinvest the dividends and let compounding do the rest. It won't seem like much at first, maybe a few cents or $1, but month after month those numbers grow. and soon you'll be looking back just like I did, realizing it was so worth starting early. I didn't earn more than a few cents in my first month either, and I haven't reached financial freedom yet. But this month, I've already received over $130 in dividends. I want to be a source of motivation for beginner investors, to show that you don't need a huge amount of money to get started. I hope to build a small community here on YouTube with you all, and that together we'll achieve financial freedom. Thanks for watching, and if you found value in today's video, give it a thumbs up and consider subscribing for more smart, long-term investing ideas. Stay patient, stay consistent, and keep building your path to financial freedom. Until next time, take care and happy investing.